So we saw how we can work with the collaboration workspace and how we can use it to, collaborate in our projects. We saw how we can work on datasets, reports, and dashboards, and we of course also can add multiple reports to such a project. Now, when we talk about sharing, we actually might have the case that we have multiple reports, for example, in a project, but only one specific report or dashboard should be shared. This can now be done via so-called apps. An app is a summary or a package, so to say, of specific content based on our collaboration workspace that should be shared with other people. Sharing here doesn't relate to the collaboration part though, but to the accessing part. So if your executive wants to see the report, for example, then you would use such an app. So apps are all about sharing in the end. And in case you are reading through other documentations related to Power BI Pro, sharing, and so on, you might come across the term content pack here. Content packs were the way to share data before apps were introduced. Therefore, apps basically replaced content packs. Therefore, if you read content pack, you refer to apps nowadays. So this is why we need apps, so we can create tailor-made packages of data we want to share. But how can we create such an app now?